Hey, lovely wild hearts, it's Lisa here. I'm just popping in to walk you through my brand new journal starter kit. The powerful, transformational experience of freefall journaling is something that I just want everyone to have in their lives. And so I created this kit so that you can understand how that works and experience it for yourself. It's for sensitive, creative souls or people who think they might be creative, but it also will help you if you've got other things going on. And I'll show you what they are as we go through. So, ready to free your mind and experience some energetic shifts. Ever since I was a little girl, I felt more confident with a pen in my hand, and that is so true. And this technique, this free fall journaling technique, is a powerful technique for unraveling tired, stressed, overwhelmed, and anxious minds. So, this kit will take you less than 2 hours to get through, and you'll be quite surprised at what insights and messages want to come through. But I think you'll be more surprised at how much lighter and more positive you feel inside afterwards. So, journaling isn't just this quick and easy tool for self discovery, it also reduces stress, improves your mood, grows your self awareness, and it helps you process your feelings and make sense of your thoughts. It's almost like the pages hold that for you. And it also turns down the volume on your inner critic and helps you find your authentic voice. What's there not to love? All from a pen and paper. So it is for you it's for all levels. So you don't have to be, J.K. Rowling. You don't have to be a writer. It's great if you hate meditation, but you want to find a way to relax. If you feel anxious and fearful about the future, if you want to say goodbye to stress and overwhelm, if you're overly concerned with what might go wrong, or you get caught up in ruminating, those what ifs, and you're on that treadmill. If you're like me and you wish there was an off switch for your brain, because my brain is just busy all of the time. If you find it challenging to focus, you might have an ADHD diagnosis, or you might just have an extreme flight response to stress. If you want a peaceful night's sleep and you're feeling exhausted, if you carry a sense of impending doom that you're going to get told off, or that sense that something's going to go wrong, and or if you have writer's block and you want to feel creatively inspired. And it's just too good not to share, because it's been life-changing for me. It's grown my self-confidence and sharpened my intuition, turned down the volume on the circus in my head, could actually hear my own voice and work out who I was and what I wanted from life. And so I'm really passionate about supporting you to find a consistent journaling practice and discover that magic for yourself. So inside the kit, you will get a video lesson explaining what this quick and easy freefall journaling technique is. And that's this daily practice that I use that gets me out of my head. You'll get Write Your Next Chapter masterclass that you can watch in just under an hour, so you can start feeling inspired and more confident about your future. You get a beautiful printable journal with 50 pages and 4 different covers to choose from. So that's the purple one there, but you also get pink, lilac, or sunshine yellow. I give you some helpful tips to make journaling work for you. I tell you what to do if you get stuck and you don't know what to write. And you also get an invitation to my private Facebook community, where you can meet other like-minded souls and ask me questions. And then you can read about all the wonderful things people have said about learning this journal experience and how it's changed their life. So happy to meet my wise self hiding under all my thoughts. What a beautiful breath of fresh air. Necessary self-care, not just lighter for releasing stress, but a deep sense of calm. There is a sense of calm, but there's also a sense that you want to write more, like there's more in there. Better off using my time to journal for 10 minutes a day than wasting days lost in overthinking. And we tend to go up into our heads and start thinking about things when we're not in the body and listening to the body. And the body knows, the body keeps score, as they say. So we can get back into the body through the mind. So we go in through the mind and down into the body. Don't consider myself to be creative, way out of my comfort zone, blew my mind. So there you go. That's my journal starter kit. You can get it today. I shall pop a link in for you. And I want you to try it. Just try it and